Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Like I mentioned in my last video, I'm looking at some of my Majorette cars. I'll be unboxing about 6 of those. Then I've also got a couple of 1/64 scale from Jada toys. Today's video, I've got a Mustang, Porsche, 2 Nissans, 2 Lamborghinis, an Aston Martin, and 3 Nissans. So we're looking at a Ford Mustang GT, Porsche 934 Vaillant, a Nissan Zafiro, a Nissan GTR, a Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4, and a Nissan GTR Nismo GT3. And with the Matchbox style cars, I've got an Aston Martin Vantage, and I've got a Lamborghini Cayenne. Alright, I'm going to look at these two Matchbox style cars first, then I'll go to the carded ones. This one's a Lamborghini Cayenne. That's a beautiful car, guys. Being a Majorette, it's got some moving parts. I wish they added a license plate. It's got opening doors, no chrome on the exhaust, plastic base chassis, there's no rubber tires, kind of like a semi-premium, guys. So, yep, the doors do open on this one. Pretty neat though, guys. I've got the mini GT version of it, and that one looks immaculate. They've actually got the Italian flag colors on the top. Pretty neat, way better than this one. Alright, let's look at the next Matchbox style car, guys. It's an Aston Martin Vantage. It's a beautiful dark green color scheme with plenty of, looks like a racing or sports car liveries. So, yeah. That's a beautiful looking car, guys. I'm really loving the dark green or Highland green. It's got some orange headlights, Aston Martin logo on the bonnet. It's got a rear spoiler, side mirrors, painted taillights. Yep, I was right. Aston Martin Racing. Okay. And the doors open up on this one. That's the beauty of Majorette. They always seem to give you some sort of opening or moving parts. Okay, I'm gonna do the Jada ones in the end. I'll just continue on with the Majorettes because we started off with the Majorettes. Look at this beautiful boxed blister packaging model, guys. It's a Ford Mustang GT. It's got a beautiful maroon or dark cherry red with black racing stripes. Very impressive, guys. It's part of Majorette's deluxe car series. Look at this beautiful model, guys. Absolutely delighted. It's got plastic headlights, chrome pony on the grille, black racing stripes, side mirrors, exhaust, painted taillights, rear spoiler. And as a bonus, being a deluxe version or deluxe series, they've got opening doors as the moving parts, as well as the trunk. Quite impressive, guys. I'm going to go ahead and add another level of detailing. I'm going to put some chrome on the side mirrors. I'm going to paint the taillights with red. I'll put a license plate. I'm going to put some chrome on the exhaust. Make it look like a highly detailed premium model. Guys, I forgot to show you. Majorette gave this little box as a storage box for the model. Pretty neat. Reminds me of Mattel's Matchbox cars. Okay, let's look at this Vintage Deluxe Series by Majorette, and this one's a Porsche 934 Vaillant. Looks like a sports car version as well, with plenty of decals and detailing too. Quite nice, guys. That's the car, guys. Pretty neat and immaculate. Opening parts of the doors. It's got side mirrors, some sort of a rear spoiler. It's got bronze rims. Plastic headlights. Vaillant Kremer on the front windscreen. Plenty of decals. Pretty neat, guys. And that's the box they've given us. Okay, guys, the next one we have is a Nissan Safira A31. Beautiful black and amazing livery and decals on the bonnet, on the roof. And she's supposed to be a race car driver, Christy Lewis. I don't know if she's Malaysian, Filipino, or Singaporean, but yeah. Take a look at this car, guys. For a semi-premium car, it doesn't get any better than this. This one's got drifter Christy Lewis on the side. Opening parts, I'm not seeing any at all. Oh yeah, it was the hood or the bonnet. So this one's got plastic headlights, painted blinkers, side mirrors, painted taillights. I'm going to paint the exhaust chrome. Beautiful Majorette livery on the trunk, on the side, on the rooftop, on the bonnet. Pretty neat, guys. And that's the box that came with it. It's got Christy Lewis's photo as well. Very impressed, guys. Okay guys, down to the last three. And check this beautiful Phantom purple Nissan GTR, guys, with gold rims. Guys, I'm very impressed with Majorette, guys. Look at the beautiful metallic finish on this Phantom Nissan GTR. Plastic headlights, GTR on the grille. Beautiful Majorette hashtag Tanuki Unlimited on the side. Painted taillights. The Nissan logo, rear spoiler, moving parts of the doors. And I don't know if you guys noticed, the trunk, sorry, not the trunk, the bonnet also opens up as well. The hood. Pretty neat, guys. Very impressed with the color scheme. I had a Ford with the same purple color scheme and looked beautiful, guys. And that's the box. Very nice. Okay, next up is another Nissan GTR, but this one's got the Nismo badge and a GT3 badge as well. And this one's not a Majorette, it's a Jada Toys 1/64 scale release, guys, part of the Pink Slip series. This one's got a beautiful green, guys, more like a Spectre Flame green. Rear spoiler, painted taillights, Nismo badge, and the GT3 badge on the back. Some sort of exhaust going around on the side mirrors, beautiful front. It's got the Nismo GTR and Nismo badge on the grille, plastic headlights. The bonnet doesn't open up, but the doors do. They're probably just getting some hints from Majorette. This one was so popular and famous, guys, among collectors. They were flying off the shelves. I managed to grab two, one for myself and my son, but otherwise very hard to find. And these guys give you a box as well, just like Majorette. Okay, down to the last one, guys. This one is a beautiful bright red Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. And I forgot to show you guys the back of it, the first one, especially with the Nissan. This is like one of their first series. I wouldn't call it primitive, but one of the first series there. They got 6 cars: Aston Martin Vantage GT8, Porsche 918 Spider, Nissan GTR Nismo GT3, Porsche Cayenne Turbo S, a Ford Mustang GT, and the Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. They've released a lot of other cars as well, but they're not readily available in most of the toy stores. Alright guys, that's the beautiful Lamborghini Countach. Pretty neat release. Bright red. The taillights are painted red, but it's kind of blended into the actual car color itself. It's got Lamborghini on the back. I'm going to go ahead and paint these exhaust chrome. Side mirrors. Moving parts of the doors. Oh yep, opening upwards. Like the Lamborghini sign we had to look at earlier in the video from Majorette. Pretty impressive, guys. And that's the storage box. Okay, that's the cars we had to look at today, guys, in the unboxing video. We had to look at 5 Majorette cars and 2 Jada Pink Slip Series cars. We had to look at a Lamborghini Cyan, a Aston Martin Vantage, a Ford Mustang GT, a Porsche 934 Vaillant, a Nissan Safiro, a Nissan GTR, another Nissan GTR Nismo, GT3, and last but not least, we are to look at the Lamborghini Countach LPI 800-4. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, stay blessed. God bless you all, and I will catch you in my next unboxing video. I'm just going to go back and continue with my green lights till I try and get them all completed. Then I'll start looking at unboxing my other collections. Thanks, guys.